While the world remains on lockdown, there are some good things happening out there. Here's Dave Baker with a look.
She lived through the Spanish flu pandemic in 1918, and now she's making masks to help her community through the COVID-19 pandemic. 104-year-old Gertrude Larson of Fergus Falls, Minnesota, is sewing masks for nursing home staff and residents on a machine she bought in 1939. The former nurse says the project is doing what her ancestors did, taking care of one another. Looking for another way to say thanks to workers on the front lines of the COVID-19 pandemic? 4 friends in Williamsville, New York have created a website called 6 Feet Closer. It allows anyone to make a video to be sent to a frontline worker anywhere in the country. Users can also nominate nurses, doctors, firefighters, police officers, store clerks, and others to receive a message of thanks. A Lowell, Massachusetts nurse has created a program to produce pictures of loved ones for coronavirus patients. Janaea Barberi says she wanted to do more for her patients while they're hospitalized, so she set up an email address, created a social media hashtag, Pictures for Patients, and even bought a printer. She's already delivered 24 photos to her patients. Charities that usually visit pediatric cancer patients are finding innovative ways around the COVID-19 pandemic. In Connecticut, volunteers dressed as superheroes, robots, and T-Rexes stood outside of Yale's New Haven Hospital, waving to patients and even healthcare workers inside. They're also putting on virtual events like yoga and baking classes. And that's a look at some of the good news stories happening during the pandemic. For Acadiana's News Channel, I'm Dave Baker.